Hi all. This is a My Learning application. This application is mainly used to help the student to take up the course online, and it also gives a reminder for the student to make the to increase their knowledge within the due date, within the assigned date. There are some courses here. They can take it up by discussing with the course admin, and they can schedule the meetings whenever they need it. Yeah, let's start the flow. This is a homepage of this My Learning application. Here there are two roles mainly. One is student coordinator and the student admin. Admin is a normal administrator role. Here, a student coordinator will log in into the application first, and he'll be having a access to create a student profile. Student is not having a access to create the profile directly. The coordinator will create a student profile. Let me create a profile for user. Let me give my Gmail ID and my friend Gmail ID as a parent Gmail ID. Here, we will give a Gmail ID so that both parent and the student will receive the notification, and we can provide a phone number. And if you want to add some comments, you can add it or else you can leave it. And you can check on the checkbox called need to set appointment to discuss about the courses. Here you can give the time and the date when they can schedule a meeting. That way we can set up any meeting, any we can set up a meeting anytime and any date according to our wish, and he can save the record. Even he can do it with bulk upload of all student at the same time also. Here I am creating a record. Yeah. Now I have set up the meeting. We'll check the notification. See, here I have received a notification, a discussion on taking up the course at the timing, whichever I mentioned, I get it in IST. And I got it like, hi, the meeting has been set up for discussing about the courses. Please join the call that way. Here, the course admin and the student parents will discuss about the courses and what are the courses available and everything. And the course admin will inform the students if he is interested to take up the course, means he has to send a email to the particular mail ID. Here I have given my Outlook ID. To that Outlook ID, they can send a an email with a subject as a course name and optional body. Let me create a mail. Since I am the student, I will send a notification to the Outlook ID with C. I'm interested in C. There are three courses available. Let me send for C, and our body is optional. And you can send the notification. And as soon as they send the notification, in the back end, the Zap will work, and it will create a record in the course table. Uh, the Zap will take little time, and that Zap will create a record for that particular user and a course. Here we have an appointment. Likewise, we will get a course. As an admin, I can see everything. Yeah, you can see I have selected a C, so I have got a C course under this. And since I am a student, I'll receive a notification for the same. See, this is a quick paste notification. This notification I have got like, hi ABC. This is the name of the user. Thank you for choosing the C, and please click here to complete the payment. As soon as I select some particular course, I have to make a payment. So I will click here to make the payment, and I'll go as a student this time, because student has to come and complete its payment. I'm a student. I clicked on it. I have come to course table here, I can make a payment. I don't have an edit option to make any changes in the course, but I can add a payment here by clicking on edit button. Here the information will display, and only the editable field is the amount. Here I can make a payment. I can make at a time whole payment, whole amount, or I can make half amount or anything. We can come and edit any number of times as you want, but it should be done within the due date. Here you can see the 15th is a due date, and within that date you should do. If you do off payment, let me do it off payment, and this is a due date to complete them. This is a date when they paid, and if you want to write any description, like I'll make next payment, like that, next payment later. That way we can give some data, and you can check which payment method you have used, and you can select under which tax you will provide, and you can save it. And this status of this expense is yet to pay, like you have not completed the payment yet. And after that, the day when it is before the due date, you'll receive a notification that to make a complete payment. That's the reason. I'll go as admin. I'll go to expense table. Just to show you, here due date is a see, this day I have made it as a due date, and just to trigger a notification, to trigger the notification from expense table, I have created a pipeline. Let me show you the pipeline. This is a scheduled pipeline we have created. Here, expense due date notification. In this pipeline, whenever it is a scheduled one, every 1 hour it will trigger. But here, just to make it fast, I'll just run this pipeline. Whenever we run this pipeline, it will go and check the records in the expense table, and it will check if it is not made the payment, and if it is within due date, then if it is a previous day of the due date, then it is trigger a notification. It has triggered a notification. We can just check it. See, your payment is pending. Hi Roja, thank you for choosing the course, but your payment is pending. Please make a payment. That way we will receive a notification, and that time the student can log in, and I'll come as a student. I can come as a student, and I can complete the payment for that particular course. Here, I'll complete the payment this time. Okay, I'll pay completely. I'll just change this thing, and I'll save it. Okay, here now the status got changed to completely paid. Fine. After that, if you have completely paid, means that time you received a notification that, hi Roja, thank you for paying the amount within a due date, and please use this link in order to complete the course. You can click here in order to take up the course, and you can take it up, and you can complete the course. Here, just for testing purpose, I used a Udemy link, and after after completing all the course, I have created one more notification here, one more pipeline, sorry, to complete the course. Here, this notification, this also scheduled the pipeline. This will trigger a notification to the student on the day of due date. Okay, here I'm running this pipeline. Here, this will find a record in the course table, and it will send a notification to the student that their whether they have completed their course or not. Here you can see, dear student, I completed the course. If because today is a due date, on the day of due date it will send. I set up such a way that today is the due date, so we received a notification. And if we completed, then congratulations, and please add your valuable feedback. Here the student can log in to the application, and he can come here, and he can see all the status here, and he can add his review. After completing the course, they can just add their survey. If they have completed, they have to complete the course. If they have already completed the course, they can add the valuable feedback here. Okay, and they can just save it. This is a complete flow.